Hi, this is the final part of my look at Taksim Baladi, and today we're going to focus on the end, which builds to a crescendo in this piece. And so we use lots of shimmies, at least I do. It's not that you have to, it's what I choose to do. So I hope you enjoy it, and you can see how I do it, and then we'll look at some of the technique. So now we're going to look at the technique behind some shimmies, from little quivery shimmies through to great big juicy shimmies. Here's a drill I use with my classes. Make sure you're nice and upright, your tailbones drop down, your knees are relaxed. And we're doing slow tacks. And then we're building them up to double time, but keeping the arms going at the same rate each time. Our third level. Again, the arms stay at the same rate. And then into the shimmy. Repeat the drill a few times, but focus on the quality of the moves. So the glute engagements when your tacks are slow, and then as you speed up, be aware of how your knees feel, and also the isolation of your top half to the bottom half. Let's have a little look from the side. Knees are relaxed, tailbone tucked under, but make sure you haven't pushed your pelvis forwards. And you can see we're working very much from the knees on this, which gets you a big, juicy shimmy. And take it round in quarter turns. Now, for a more modern feel to your shimmy, straighten the knees and push back into the knees. And you should feel the shimmy more up the front of your body rather than in the buttocks. And again, take it round in quarter turns and just feel the difference between the two. A safety point to consider when you're doing the more modern shimmy, although your knees are straight, they're not locked. There's a relaxed space that you find and you push back into. Let's try layering some moves with the shimmy. So here's your shift across and practice shivering over the top of it. Feel the weight transfer from one side to the other. Now we're going to try another variation. So put your weight on one foot and send the shimmy up through your back leg. So you can see you're using the knee of the back leg and putting pressure through the ball of your foot to send the shimmy up into your hips. And then we're changing feet and trying the other side. And change. And change. Now let's put it all together and dance through the full piece. Follow along and enjoy. enjoyed this series on Taksim Baladi, take the ideas and the technique and the principles and apply them to a piece of ballet that you find and fall in love with. If you would like to join me on a new adventure, I've just started an online membership program. I'll put the details at the end. There'll be all sorts of fascinating and interesting things, tutorials, lectures, video clips for you to enjoy. I hope to see you there.